know that. I'm in pocket. Don't stress me out, girl.
Does anybody want to take Juna's space? Because it's not really help me.
Me even know where you look for.
The super wet jets, you know, super wet
I
jets.
don't know what name, so. I'm not me use and wipe out all.
King Trev, them money for me like with my page the fast. Me a show forward them and tell me about you have the 8 documents them can film me and everything. So let me want your phone card.
I will actually wait for you to finish so we could pray about the house.
Me too come.
I want to start to pack out the stuff.
Me a come, just wait a little time.
I don't want
Chicken
to
and dog to pack out tonight.
I don't want to pray and we're still having this.
Me a come, Trev. Me a come.
It's the first day.
Me a come.
I can't give you my phone, I apologize. Guys, where do we put the Swiffer wet jet, guys? Can somebody that was on the live when we're packing the stuff, can y'all help me, please? I found my toothbrush. Cute.
You need that.
My mouth stink. Found it, guys. We found it. We found the machine one. These are the machine one, guys. The phone I got dead, you know. Jesus Christ. I called them up on the wrong phone, guys. Jesus. Well, I'm going to sub live later. I'm going to talk to them up on a different phone. I think it's full of people. I want to keep over so. Tikki, I bring down people, you know, guys. We're not going over Tikki. Okay, chat, we found the Swiffer wet jet. So we have to unbox it before the prayer because you guys said we need to wipe out and stuff, which we're not gonna start wiping until we pray though. But after the guys, all this work. Oh yes. Guys, all this work. I have no use. Oh, cute, popping place, fab, guys, fab. This can rotate, cute, angle, and the top piece, guys. Why are they in there, guys? So. Oh, back. Your vlog? Oh, I forgot I need to vlog, right? But I'm not beard. I can't vlog like this. So to be honest, I plan on vlogging the kitchen stuff, cause again, why I'm not vlogging the room, because I have Juna with me now, and the room, I'm not getting my bed till Saturday or Friday. So I wanted to I could do, I have to put the same clothes on to make it look like if it was all done in one day. I can't do that. So I think we have most of the stuff for the kitchen already. So we were gonna just do, the kitchen tomorrow. And I was gonna vlog the kitchen. We were putting the plates and pots in the kitchen. We're putting the mixer, the blender and stuff on the counters. So I was gonna vlog that one tomorrow and also make it smaller to go on the TikTok page. I think we have majority of stuff that kitchen would need. So I think that will be pretty cute. Because you guys, we could be pretty much at everything. So yes, and the bedroom is also private. That's why I'm gonna only do the bedroom on sub, because that's where we do adult content, and that's where we sleep. And it's not the time. Yeah, I'm gonna really. Okay, guys, the oldest going on the wall now. Jesus Christ, chat, weird.
for the rest of the time. A TikTok on decide so me go come pan Quebec every day. A TikTok pay everybody rent pay. A TikTok help everybody. A TikTok help triple the rest so. A TikTok help triple son can help either somebody. TikTok help everybody. One no problem with me. Alright, you know go say me live in a Penthouse.
Yeah, like Kitty, and some realize that she have a problem because I never tell Tikki say me help him get no apartment. Tikki tell me say I already get the apartment and me help him buy grocery. That girl is a wicked girl. And so she tell us so Kitty and some know she's wicked. Because that then say she say no. So me promise you lies.
No, me say
Me don't know how Tikki get apartment.
Leave here Sunday morning and then reach Kentucky Monday.
Not so good.
No, you know.